To download the Banco Sabadell app, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your mobile device is connected to the internet. This will allow you to access the App Store where the Banco Sabadell app is available. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, go to the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, use the search function to find the Banco Sabadell app. Type Banco Sabadell in the search bar and select the app from the search results. After selecting the app, click on the Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your App Store password or use fingerprint or face recognition to authenticate the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. Once the app is installed, click on the Open button to launch the app. You will then be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the app and may be asked to create a username and password or log in with your existing Banco Sabadell credentials. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong password and keep your login credentials confidential. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication if available. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download and install the Banco Sabadell app on your mobile device. This will give you access to a range of banking services, including account management, money transfers, and bill payments, all from the convenience of your mobile device.